Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the...
Hello, we are going to be doing one of our 64 Tacos unboxing what's in the box videos. You know from the title, there's a Pixel 7 in here, but yeah, let's see what's going on. So, we've got a fancy case for the new one. And then the actual phone itself. Yeah. I don't know if they usually come in a little plastic bag like that, but this one did. We've got our favorite little tabs that these all get sealed up with. And it's just the regular Pixel 7, not the Pro. And there it is. I believe this is black, obsidian black maybe? I don't know. It's the black one. Very shiny. See yourself in it, or see myself in it. If you can see yourself, leave a comment. But yeah, it's got all the things. It's got buttons. It's got a screen. There's a camera there. Camera's on that side. And then a place to plug it in. We've got the everybody's favorite little instruction manual in English. And then the very important key to the SIM card tray. Add this to my collection of 1,000 USB to C adapters. And then a regular old charging cord. No headphones to C adapter in this one. But yeah. Let's see what we've got for this case now. I bought this one off of the Google Store, and we'll see what it looks like. Oh my, it stops there. It's made by Bellroy, and it looks like it's gonna just fit right in like that. Maybe like that. Pretty slick. Alright. Hope you like this video. Give us a like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And we'll have another one for you probably next October.